So you can see here, I'm just showing you guys how far you can rotate it. So if you need to go in and check your spark plugs or put it underneath your engine and see how dirty it is, look at all that. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be checking out the Anykit Articulating Borescope. This is a 210-degree two-way slim probe endoscope, and it has a little bright LED light at the end of it for inspection on any of your automotive needs. So let's see what's inside the box here. This is what it looks like. Very nice packaging, and you can easily get this on Amazon. I will have a link in the description down below for you guys to check out. But we're going to be using it today on my 2001 4Runner and seeing how dirty the engine is underneath, because we're going to do a clean and then check how it looks afterwards. So you can see, first look, just putting it right underneath the engine here, you can see all this black soot and oh, close up of a spider there. But anyway, you can put it pretty far. It is a 4-foot inspection snake, and you can put it in there and you can move it different directions. So you can use the little lever to move it. So you can see how I do that with my thumb there. It's a little bright outside, so it's hard to show you guys what's going on here. Anyway, so you can see here, I'm just showing you guys how far you can rotate it. So if you need to go in and check your spark plugs or put it underneath your engine and see how dirty it is, look at all that. It's really easy to do with that little lever. You can just rotate it around and see where you need to clean or see how dirty your valves are. But we're going to be using Purple Power here today. This is the extreme one because this car has not been washed in the engine bay for many years. So we're going to go ahead and spray some of this on here. We covered our air filter since it's exposed, but then afterwards we're going to go in and show you guys how clean it looks with the inspection camera. And if you guys do use this Purple Power, don't let it sit, don't let it dry. Wash it off before it dries. So if you're in the sun, make sure it doesn't sit too long. But you can see, you can read everything now. You can read the engine, you can read all these little labels. The engine looks nice and clean. Looks brand new at this point. If you're wondering what's going on over there, we're just trickle charging the battery. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what it looks like inside the engine, or underneath the engine, I should say. But look at that. You can already see like silver from the bottom of the engine because it was so dirty before, it was just black. So we're gonna go right underneath here and see how dirty it is in there. It was completely black when we looked in there. But you can see just from this camera, you can literally see those cross hatches that are all perfectly silver. No dirt on those at all anymore. And it's really awesome to see this because without this camera, there would be no way for me to really see how clean it is without trying to get down in there with my phone light and look really hard. But this Anykit inspection camera is a huge help. And then in the future, when we have to check out the spark plugs and everything and the valves, we can do that with this camera as well. So anyway, I hope you guys check this thing out, the Anykit Articulating Borescope. I will have a link in the description down below for you guys to check it out over on Amazon. And right now it is on sale, 15% off for the spring sale. So make sure you guys check that out ASAP, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.